Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, man, drive me a dessert.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video, and if you see this banner, you must know I go by the name of Sabile for those who don't know me. And please make sure that you subscribe and become a part of the family. For those who are coming back for more, thank you so much for your support. As you can tell by the title of the video, it's actually going to be I'm not going to say hair installation, because literally this video is going to be not more than 10 minutes. So that's how fast, easy, quick and go this hair is going to take. And yeah, with the spring season coming up, I thought to myself, why not buy something that is more convenient as well as very easy to put on, and also not so full compared to the last video that I did with the curls. So this video is literally so easy, and the hair came in like this with the packets, of course. This black packets came in this package, and it's still the same company, which is Queen's Hair Beauty. And yeah, it's pretty much the same vibe. So but this one is pretty much straightforward, you know. This is for your girls that are not into like gluing the lace down and what's not. So this one is very straightforward. It doesn't even have the combs on the inside. It has this adjustable strap that you can actually utilize, and I like it because I mean it's very easy to put on and very, very easy to maintain as well. And yeah, if you want to see how I actually put on and style this hair, please stay tuned, and let's get straight into the video.
If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on.
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the cat from my church, 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 church. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, da,